Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write threads on Twitter. Stick around till the end to learn how to create engaging and well structured threads that capture attention. So let's get started. Start by opening the Twitter app or website and then log into your account. Next, click on tweet button, which is the plus icon to create a new tweet, and then choose post. Now in the text box, write the first part of your thread and keep it clear and engaging as this is what will draw your readers in. Once your tweet is ready, click on plus icon to add another tweet to your thread. This allows you to expand on your idea and you can keep tapping the plus icon to add as many tweets as you need. You can add up to 25 words in a single thread, but make sure each one flows logically to keep your readers engaged. And once you have written all the tweets that you want to include in your threads, click on Post All to publish the entire thread at once. And that's it. Your thread is now live for everyone to read and enjoy. Just keep each tweet short, clear, and engaging to hold your audience attention. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.